Hello everybody, in this video we will learn how to execute Python on our Android device. First of all, go to Play Store and then search for Python. You will see Python 3 IDE for Python 3 in your search bar. Then open it and install. After installing your app, open the app. So it will install Python, which will take less than a minute. After installing Python, we can write our code. So we will write a code to print our name. First of all, we are printing enter your name, then we are asking for the user to input their name. After the user input their name, we will print the name by hello and username, then how are you. So this is a Python syntax. I hope you already know this. If not, I will create another video for the tutorial. Click on the allow run button to run Python. Then we can enter our name and execute. You can save file and do more with this app. Explore more.